Can I just say one thing? Please? Just one thing. I am the bull god. I am free. And I feed on all that is forsaken. I'm gonna get you. I see through you. That's all. That's all I want to say. I'm like a train I roll hard, letting off much steam. In the Carhartt flannel and dusty jeans, baby. I never was cool with James Dean, but I be hanging tough with my man Jim Bain. I swing low like a chimp. Back in '86, I was seeing a shrink. But you know I'm humble. I can only think about New Orleans and them jumbo shrimp. So no ask questions and I tell no lies. I got big old pupils and bloodshot eyes. I'm on the brink if you know what I mean. And 12-step pro cookie. This is too funny. Alright, try again. I am the bull god. I am free. And all I feed off is forsaken. I'm gonna get you. I see through you. I'm like a train I roll hard, letting off much steam. I'm in a Carhartt flannel, a dusty jeans. Carhartt, what is it? A Carhartt flannel. Oh, the Carhartt jackets. Okay, I haven't had one of those in years, man. I used to hate them. Alright, I am the bull god. I am free. And I feed all that is forsaken. I'm gonna get you. I see through you. I'm gonna get you. Like a roll like a train letting on my steam. Forget it, man. It's too funny. Gary!